Hey, you're crazy bitch, but you fuck so good I'm on top of it when I drink.
Alright, got my compound ready and I am ready to shoot. Only shooting 3 at a time because it's a 43-pound draw and I want to pace myself so I can shoot for a while. I'm going to be shooting 20 yards and hopefully this is better than last time. That is one hell of a grouping. Oh my gosh. That is so much better. That sight helps so much. I've redeemed myself from shooting the frickin' Genesis last Thursday because everybody was looking at me like I can't shoot. But there's all their bows got sights on them and that's bare bones. Sight helps a lot. I'll show you guys. I'll put it in the clip next. The improved 20 yards. Look at that grouping. I think next time I'm gonna try to get them all on one of these dots. But yeah, it's good. This grouping. Oh, beautiful.